FAAC 740D control board full wiring. Today we are explaining the FAAC 740D sliding gate control board wiring connections. This control board is widely used for automatic sliding gate systems. Now let's start from the accessory terminals. Terminal 1 and 2 are open command inputs. These terminals are used for push-button connection or external gate opening command. To connect a push button, connect one wire to terminal 1 and the second wire to terminal 2. When the push button is pressed, the gate will start opening or closing. Connection of photocell. There are different types of safety in this control board. Safety 1. Terminal 3 FSW-OP photocell safety inputs. They are tripped when an obstacle is opening safety devices. They are tripped when an obstacle is detected only during gate opening movement. They cause detected only during gate opening movement. These terminals protect the gate from hitting people or vehicles. The photocell receiver normally connects here. Safety 2. Terminal 4 FSW-CL photocell safety inputs. They are tripped when an obstacle is closing safety devices. They are tripped when an obstacle is detected only during gate closing movement. Terminal 5 is stop input. They are tripped during the opening and closing movements. They cause stopping and restart, motion on release. This terminal is used for emergency stop devices. If stop is not used, a jumper must remain connected. Terminal 6 is edge input for safety edge protection. They are tripped during the gate opening, closing movements. They cause immediate reversal of motion and stopping after 2 seconds. This single pair of FAAC of photocell. Now connect the main power supply. Terminal 9 and 8 are 24-volt outputs. These terminals supply power to photocells and other accessories. We will now connect terminal 4 FSW closing terminal in receiver relay. Connect also common of the relay. If you don't use any safeties, make jumpers all. Flashlight connection. Terminal 16 and 17 are flashing lamp terminals. Connect the gate warning lamp here. The lamp flashes whenever the gate is opening or closing. The output of this gate's 230-volt AC and maximum 60 watts. Now let's move to motor connections. Terminal 13 is motor common. Terminal 14 is motor open direction. Terminal 15 is motor close direction. There is a motor connection factory connected. If the motor direction is wrong, swap terminals 14 and 15. Main power supply. P terminal is earth connection. N terminal is neutral input. L terminal is live power input. Always make sure the incoming power supply matches the board voltage. J5 block. Connector is for limit switch connection. This input is intended for rapid connection of the opening and closing. limit switches designed to stop the leaf, or for start of decelerations or for braking. In gear motors with a built-in control unit, this connection is pre-wired as standard. J3 block. Connector is for encoder connection. The capacitor is connected between the motor terminals exactly.